Hi guys, this is Jack from Anglo Centre. Hope everyone's okay during this strange time. So we're here with Nancy. You gonna say hello?
Hello.
So we're gonna do an activity with you while you're stuck at home. And today we are gonna be making a portrait out of things that you have maybe in your house. Or a dinosaur. So things we've got is buttons. Maybe you've got buttons lying around in your house, lollipop sticks. We're going to be using cardboard from a cereal box. Some string. Maybe you've got string lying around. So the aim of this is to use as many objects that you can find around the house, and we're going to create a portrait or picture of yourself or someone in your family, someone who you can't see at the minute.
Also, like my friend Imogen.
Exactly, just like your friend Imogen, who you can't see at the minute.
And I'm going to give a cookie to Imogen when I can see her.
Yes, you are. And we're also could make something for someone or one of your favourite persons, maybe a football player, a singer, all your friends, family, whoever. Maybe someone that you're thinking of that you can't see at the minute. So yeah, so we're going to start giving it a go. First of all, we're going to draw a picture, an outline of a body, a shape of a body, and then we're going to start using the stuff to cut and make clothes, and yeah, we'll see how we go. Guys, we're going to draw an outline of a body on a piece of paper, nice and simple, and then later on we're going to stick things to it to make the clothes and accessorise it, and we'll go from there. So in this picture we are doing your friend Imogen. So yeah, we're doing Nancy's friend, and I will do a picture of Nancy. Just simple outline of a body and a head. We used the paint bottle to draw a round head. We're going to use this as a template. It doesn't have to be pretty, it doesn't have to be perfect, because we're going to stick stuff over it and you probably will not see the pencil outlines. So that's your outline of our bodies. Out of the cardboard box that we had before, the cereal box, we've decided to go with dresses because we're making two girls. We're making one picture of Nancy and one picture of Nancy's friend. So we've coloured our cutouts. We've got purple
and pink
and blue and blue, and then also we've cut some string because we're going to make some hair out of the string. So these are all things that you can find in your house. The more things you can use from your house, the more interesting it gets, and the more creative it gets. So the most things you can use from your homes. So with our coloured dresses made out of our cereal boxes and our hair made from string, this is what we've come up with so far. Come up with the dress and the hair, and now we're going to start colouring the hair and making it look the right colour it should be for the person that you're doing. So we got some yellow paint for Nancy for your hair, is that right?
Yeah, but I can't find the palette.
Okay, we'll find the palette in a minute. With our pictures, we've rubbed out some of the lines of our outline of our body, and we've used lollipop sticks as arms, and so we stuck that down, and now we've cut out shoes from cardboard, little tiny shoes, and we've got lots and lots of buttons. And we're going to get creative with the buttons, and we'll see how we go, and we'll be back. Our pictures are coming on pretty well now. We've just been using some buttons just to decorate it, and our shoes are stuck on, and we're starting to sort of create the shapes, accessories and stuff of the person we wanted to. Okay. Okay, so guys, yeah, once again we're using the materials we can find at home. The aim of this is to use as many materials as you can from home, like cardboard, buttons, we've used a lot. This is the pictures what we come up with so far, using buttons, sticking all sorts of stuff down, and yeah,
And
we're going
I
from
can't
there.
pick mine one up.
You can't pick yours up yet because the glue's still wet, is that right?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, thank you. Okay guys, this is what I've ended up with. We've got a picture of Nancy using buttons, using cardboard, using string, lollipop sticks, all these things you can find at home. We've added a little bit of colour in there. Yeah, and luckily we've had loads of buttons, so we've done really well making this of Nancy down by the beach. Okay, thank you. Let me see how you get on. Post and send your pictures into the email at Anglo Centre, and I look forward to seeing them.